So lovely to see you.
Good. I know it's been a couple of months. I think we did
The
an
last
interview.
time we spoke was on 3rd of April when the lockdown had just started.
Wow.
And remember, you waited for an hour for the Insta Live to connect.
Yeah. That time there was a network issue. So
Yeah.
sorry, I'm late today by 15 minutes.
No
Actually,
problem.
I thought the interview was at 2:30. Then I thought it's at 4. Then
Yeah,
finally.
Dubai time and the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me, look at you. What have you been doing to look like this?
घर पे है ना, so I think when we're working from home, we're also taking good care of ourselves. So I've been working out a little bit and kind of working on myself.
You look lovely and you're matching. Your outfit matches your sofa also.
Yeah, I know, coincidentally.
And what is
I'm
that tattoo that you
camouflaging.
can see? What is that tattoo?
Tattoo says, it has musical notes and it says TK, my
Oh,
initials.
okay, lovely.
So it was a part of a thing that we did for my new song Tanhai. So yeah.
Oh, okay, fantastic. Okay, tell me about Tanhai because I think the lockdown has had a lot of Tanhai for a lot of people. Were
I
not.
know.
Tell me.
We've all been in Tanhai through the lockdown, and I think this entire song got its inspiration also from there because we started conceptualizing it during lockdown. And but Tanhai gaane mein na actually towards the end positivity hai. It's a sad yet a motivational song. If you hear it and if you guys watch the video, then everyone who's watching us will get to know. But yeah, I kind of, this thought came to my head that the next single that I wanted to work on should be like a very youth oriented number with soulful lyrics in the pop rock genre. So I had all these points in my head, and I made my first phone call to Sachetan Parampara, who are the composers of this track. And I had a discussion with them कि ऐसा कुछ मेरे mind में है, if you guys can put it all together and come out with some melody. So that's how Tanhai started shaping up. And we have Saeed Kadri ji who's done the lyrics so beautifully. So yeah, I think all in all, the whole team has really come together for a track like Tanhai, and it's a very different kind of a zone and genre. Also, there are not many female solos that have come in this genre. So that was another reason that I wanted to pick this kind of a number specifically. क्योंकि तन्हाई सुनते ही सबको लगा होगा कि हाँ, it'll be one of the sad romantic numbers. Like, I usually do a lot of sad romantic slow numbers. But this is a little up. This is upbeat. This is high tempo. Yet it has that soulfulness in it. So yeah.
Can we hear 2 lines? If you want to go without.
Definitely, I don't have my guitar around, but I'll just hum it. Just ऐसे ही आप सबके लिए थोड़ी सी lines गाती हूँ. टूटा है बहुत ये दिल मेरा, आंसू है बड़ी तन्हाई है, जब से तेरी बाहों में आने की हुई मनाई है.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Next now? What next?
Everybody's asking me this, and I definitely want to do something very different yet again, because a lot of sides of me as an artist I haven't been able to explore with the film songs that I've been doing. So hopefully something really, really different, maybe a dance number, something. I'm still thinking, but yeah, something very different that people have not seen and heard.
Are you comfortable with dance, or you like it, or you?
Oh, I love to dance, and you'll soon see me doing 2 dance covers for Tanhai. I usually do dance covers on all my songs, but that side of me yet needs to come out. So I think what better than a music video to actually bring that. And मैंने सीखा नहीं है, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है डांस करना. मैं सीख के कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा बहुत.
Tell me about your Diwali plans. क्या कर रहे हो? Happy Diwali to you. What are you doing
Thank
for
you.
this?
A happy Diwali to you and to everyone who's watching us. Diwali to abhi main ghar pe hoon. I'm in my house in Delhi, and it's going to be obviously a completely cracker-free Diwali. Uh, there not going to be too many meetings and greetings because of obviously obvious reasons of the pandemic still that's going on. But yeah, there'll be a quiet dinner in the house where, and we'll be like lighting up the house, and my little Shivai is going to be there. So yeah, we're just going to do Diwali Puja, which is like a every year tradition. And yeah, we'll have dinner together. I think it's just about the family being together this Diwali.
What is the song that comes to your mind when you think of Diwali? Any Bollywood song? The first thing.
Mm, I think Kabhi Khushi Kabhi का जो वो फैमिली का ना, ये है रे करम, कभी खुशी कभी गम, ना जुदा होंगे हम, कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Beautiful.
आई थिंक ये पूरे टाइम पे यही गाना मेरे माइंड में आएगा ड्यूरिंग दिवाली, बिकॉज यू नो द ईयर हैज बीन mixed with a lot of things going on, like professionally, from work wise, if I see, you know, I've come out with a lot of music, but when you see the world, there's been a lot of loneliness, sadness, lot of instances that were uncalled for completely. So yeah, ये पूरा साल actually कभी खुशी कभी गम रहा है.
So, what do you think the pandemic has taught you?
Pandemic has taught me a lot of things. Pandemic has actually taught me कि कुछ भी कर सकते हो आप घर पे बैठ के भी. जो you know, I used to think that songs, I set up my own studio in the lockdown in my house, where I plugged in every wire and I kind of set it up, and I'm professionally recording my songs out of there. So that pandemic has taught me how to be in the house and to connect with yourself, because you know, usually I'm really traveling for my work, and I hop between Delhi and Mumbai a lot. So I think in that whole travel and that entire buzz now, that whole connect with yourself, I was losing it. So I think I'm just telling you the positive sides of the lockdown. So I've connected with myself big time in this lockdown, and hence all these songs that I've been coming out with.
Do you miss live shows, and how do you compensate that?
I miss, that's the thing I miss the most, because वो तो अभी पता नहीं कब start होंगे, and we've been connecting with all our fans digitally, like through virtual interviews or through live sessions. But that's something that I miss the most, and that's the reason in Tanhai you'll see a few shots of me like full on performing on stage, because I could do it there. Yeah, I could do it then. But yeah, that's something that I'm missing the most in the lockdown, traveling for my gigs and performing for my audiences.
Any films that you're preparing for? Any web series?
Films, playback. Actually, I have done a few songs for films, but I have no clue in the current scenario when are the films actually going to be coming out or releasing. And apart from that, I think full focus is on independent music currently. But yeah, obviously, film playback is always like the main headliner. So yeah, I'm hoping for theaters to start, for movies to start, you know, coming on for the audiences.
Any yesteryear actress you would have loved to do playback for? It could be 2, 3, not be one. And what would the song be?
So many, yeah.
You can choose a few.
Madhuri Dixit, legendary actresses. I think. Also, I get that a lot of time that my voice has a little, you know, it takes you back to the 90s. So I have that thing in my voice. So because I've grown up in the 90s listening to, you know, movies like songs like Ashiki, Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi, inke albums maine sune hain. So yeah, I think these two actresses are my all-time favorites. So Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi ma'am. Yeah.
I'm taking you even further back. What about the black and white era?
Black and white era. Wow. I think Wahida Rahman ji. I think she had, and actually so many, Meena Kumari ji, so many of them.
Any
I mean,
songs?
but I really can't say क्योंकि उनके ऊपर जितने भी गाने हुए हैं वो आशा जी और लता जी के हुए हैं, you know, and वो तो कोई टच भी नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि जिस लेवल पे you know उन लोगों ने वो गाने निभाए हैं, and the kind of the chemistry that comes out, because even Kishore Da was the voice of you know Rajesh Khanna ji and lot of other, you know, it was synonymous. तो उस टाइम का तो मैं कुछ भी छेड़ना नहीं चाहूंगी, but yeah, all these yesteryear actresses and the music of that era, everything's been my favorite.
Okay. Do you see yourself change in 2020 and there are more accents of yours that you discovered because you had time with yourself? And will 2021 be different when it comes to your music?
Yeah, I think 2020 has taught me a lot, as I told you, to record yourself, to shoot a music video in a very, very small setup with like a one camera. We did that for the song Tere Naal. तो एक वो भी चला गया कि, you know, music video कुछ बहुत flamboyant और बहुत बड़े यूनिट के साथ होना चाहिए. It's made me independent as an artist, very, very independent. And it's given me time to learn a couple of instruments. I've started to learn the guitars. Which I picked up for my music video Tanhai, but I'm continuing it. I have gotten an opportunity to learn a little bit of cooking, जो मुझे नहीं आती ज़्यादा अच्छे से, but थोड़ा बहुत, you know, going to the kitchen and making few things for my son Shivai. I've tried that. I think lockdown has been, if I'm seeing the positive side, it has really helped me. And I think I've changed as a person in this lockdown, realizing a lot of things that in my daily life I wasn't. I've realized a lot of things, and I think it's changed me for the better.
Fitness. You've also become fitter.
Yes, I've become fitter. Yeah, I have kind of lost weight. I was running throughout the lockdown. I didn't skip my run. अभी 15 दिन से मैं वापस I'm back to work and I was in Mumbai, तो मेरा वहाँ skip हो गया. But बाकी पूरा time I have not skipped my running. Yeah, and my workouts.
Okay. What did you make for your son? If you've been cooking, what is that you made for him?
I keep making small things. I'm not a very fancy cook. तो मैं अगर एक अच्छा उसके लिए मिल्क शेक बना दूं या कोई अच्छे कटलेट्स बना दूं मेरे लिए, वही काफी है अभी. मैं सीख रही हूँ. I'm getting better at it. But if he likes something जो मैंने बनाया है अपने हाथों से, so the satisfaction is different. You know,
and
when
his
you
classes
can.
will be online now if he's going to school. So how do you
Yeah,
manage?
so I have responsibilities through the day. My day starts at like 8:15 in the morning, and I sit through his homeschooling classes in front of the laptop, and then I take up my things during the day. I take up my recordings and all of that. But yeah, there's too much to do. There's too much multitasking.
Yeah,
happening.
I think all women multitask, and
Yes,
it's
I think
interesting.
we're all blessed with that quality of multitasking.
Yeah, we do, and we also push ourselves to do better. We
Yeah,
want to be,
yeah.
So what is the
Absolutely.
first thing you're going to do after the lockdown ends and things become so-called normal? What is that you're dying to do?
Honestly, I'm dying to go and perform for my audiences. And with all the songs that I've been doing in the lockdown, if I cannot perform them live, you know, something is really missing in the current scenario. But apart from that, I really want to travel also. I think बहुत time से I am just confined. Now I've started going to Bombay. So just in October, I made 2 trips to Mumbai. But other than that, and I want to come to Dubai.
Yes. Yes.
I want to come to Dubai.
Come and perform at our event. We pushed it to March, but you should be coming and being part of that for sure. Tell me about Mughal. Are you going to be singing in it? I asked you this question even last time.
I know, but that project still needs a proper finalization from a lot of aspects. And now with the current, again, the pandemic situation, the already started movies have been pushed. So this movie is yet to start. So I'm just hopeful that, of course, I will be part of the project in every way that I can. And I will be part of the music as well. And this is like by far it's going to be the most special project, not just for me but the entire family at T-Series.
So all the best for all of that, and thank you for speaking to me. And let's
Thank
meet each
you.
other soon. Let's come to Dubai soon. Let's catch up.
Yes, super soon. We have to do that event and we have to catch up as well.
Absolutely. Happy
Thank
Diwali,
you.
and let's
Happy
talk soon.
Diwali.
Yeah.
Happy Diwali to you, to all the viewers who are watching us. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
for having
you.
me.
Bye.